China has yet again amazed us with its military expertise. What are they building these weapons for? Military weapons are no joke, as you've seen how destructive they can be. The world's superpowers leave no expense in building the best and most vicious weapons. But have you heard about this groundbreaking development in military technology that's making headlines worldwide? China's latest reveals at the Zhuhai Air Show have set the defense world abuzz, and for good reason. We're talking about the MD-22, a hypersonic drone that's not just as fast as lightning, but potentially nuclear capable. This isn't just a regular drone, it's about to be a game changer in aerial warfare, and China knows that. You have no idea what this incredible machine is capable of. The MD-22 made its debut at the Zhuhai Air Show. This exhibition was more than you can imagine. Airshow China always surprises us with the latest Chinese technologies. Since 1996, this event has shown the world many spectacular inventions. It holds a prestigious spot in China since it holds the largest air show in the whole country. The exhibition is held every 2 years. At the grand stage of Zhuhai Air Show, the sky becomes a canvas for the most advanced aircraft in the world. Here you can see the future of aviation and aerospace technology unfold before your very eyes. The 14th Zhuhai Air Show in 2022 was no different in holding its prestige. The exhibitions at this show were on from November 7th till November 13th. In this grand event, nearly 740 companies from 43 countries participated to flex their aerospace technology. The event was particularly notable for its display of China's advancements in various military technologies. This event provided an unusually large glimpse into the developmental gains in areas such as missile technology, radar systems, unmanned systems, and fighter technology. But this time, a drone stood above all the other weapons shown in the event. Out of 110 aircrafts who took part in flight demonstrations, the Chinese MD-22 was something out of the box. That's why the media says that the Zhuhai Air Show is more than just an exhibition. It's a platform where countries make a statement about their stronghold in the world and boast their advanced defense mechanism. Coming over to the special one in this whole air show, the MD-22 is a hypersonic unmanned aerial vehicle UAV that amazed everyone who watched the show. Developed by the CAS Institute of Mechanics and the Guangdong Aerodynamic Research Academy, the MD-22 represents a significant leap in China's pursuit of hypersonic technology. This UAV is near space-level hypersonic technology simulation with speeds of Mach 7 and a range of 8,000 kilometers. Can you imagine that? The air show featured not just the MD-22 but also other cutting-edge drones like the Wing Lung series, the CH-7 and the WZ-8 among others. However, MD-22 stood out from the rest, and rightfully so. Speed isn't the only impressive feature of MD-22. It can carry a payload of up to 4,000 kilograms within a range of 8,000 kilometers. It's sleek in design but heavy in size, as the machinery is designed with dimensions of 10.8 meters in length, 4.5 meters in width, and a height of 1.6 meters. Its design and capabilities can be a test bed for future hypersonic technology with a strong footprint in the industry. China's development of the MD-22 is a clear indication that they want to lead the hypersonic race, surpassing even America and Russia's military technology. Why is hypersonic technology such a big buzz? This mind-blowing technology can enable an object to travel at hypersonic speeds greater than Mach 5 or the speed of sound. This is equivalent to about 5 times the speed of sound, or approximately 3,836 miles per hour, 6,174 kilometers per hour at sea level. At these extreme speeds, the air behaves differently, leading to unique aerodynamic challenges. Vehicles traveling at hypersonic speeds must withstand intense heat and pressure, requiring advanced materials and design techniques. That's why building aircrafts like MD-22 is no child's play. God knows how much engineering prowess goes into building these modern warships. This technology has recently been a key area of modern warfare, and the MD-22's development shows China's intent to stay ahead in global warfare to protect its country and its dominance in the world. The drone's potential for high altitude, long-range missions, and possibly even nuclear capabilities is a bold development in aerial combat technology. Building drones like the MD-22, which can travel at hypersonic speeds, is like trying to make a robot that can race faster than a speeding bullet. You get the idea, right? First off, these drones have to deal with a crazy amount of heat, as I mentioned before. When they zoom through the air at this super fast speed, they get really hot, just like how your hands get warm when you rub them together quickly. This means they need special materials that don't melt or fall apart at high temperatures. Then, there's also the problem of making them fly properly at such high speeds. It's like trying to control a car on an icy road. Things can get slippery and hard to manage. The air acts all weird when you go that fast, so figuring out how to keep the drone stable and going in the right direction is a big headache. Also, these drones need a special kind of engine different from regular planes. These engines have to work when the drone is already going really fast. And don't forget, these drones need to be smart because they cannot just run with human intellect. They have to make decisions on their own, like a self-driving car, but at speeds where even a tiny mistake can cause a big disaster. This means they need really advanced computers and systems to make sure they don't crash or go off course. To solve all these complications of building a hypersonic drone, it takes a huge budget and a lot of smart people a long time to figure out. It's like building the most complicated Lego set in the world, but with the added pressure that it has to work perfectly, or it could be really dangerous. Plus, if a country fails to showcase the talent of this drone, then there would be so much controversy around the world, declining their reputation. But luckily, China didn't have to face any embarrassment. Instead, other countries were shocked to see this innovation at the air show. As always, China never fails to disappoint. However, the tech of hypersonic drones like the MD-22 raises crucial questions about the future of warfare. With the ability to travel at such high speeds, these drones can strike targets with unprecedented precision and speed, potentially changing the dynamics of military strategy and defense. The MD-22's development also hints at the possibility of a new generation of nuclear-capable drones, which could have significant geopolitical implications. No country would want to go into a war like this where these destructive weapons are being used. Militaries can use these super fast drones to do things like spying or even carrying weapons. This can make countries feel threatened and lead to more tension. When one country builds these advanced drones, other countries might feel like they need to make their own to keep up. This can lead to an arms race where everyone is trying to outdo each other with more and more powerful weapons. It's like a never-ending competition to see who can build the biggest and fastest drone. The MD-22 is just one piece of the puzzle in China's expanding UAV fleet. The country has been steadily building a huge range of drones for surveillance to combat. MD-22 is not the only weapon that we fear. You need to see the J-20 5th generation stealth fighter jet developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation for the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAAF). As a 5th generation fighter, it is much more advanced than the previous 4th generation plane. One of the most notable features of the J-20 is its stealth capabilities. The aircraft is designed with a radar-absorbent material and a shape that reduces its radar cross-section, making it harder to detect by enemy radar systems. The J-20 is also equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, including a powerful radar system, advanced communication systems, and electronic warfare capabilities. These systems improve the aircraft's situational awareness, allowing it to detect, track, and engage targets at long ranges. Some people compared the J-20 with other 5th generation fighters like the F-22 and F-35. And if you think this was the end of China's super warfare, then wait till you see others. FH-97A Loyal Wingman drone is designed to act as a loyal wingman to manned fighter jets. It was made to fly alongside crewed aircraft, supporting and extending their capabilities. It's equipped with advanced sensors and communication systems to share information with its manned counterparts. The drone can engage in electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and even direct combat depending on its loadout. Imagine how strong China's Air Force will be with this drone. Another star of China's innovative aerospace warfare fleet is CS-500, which stands out for its distinctive flying wing design similar to a boomerang shape. This design offers enhanced aerodynamics and stealth, reducing radar cross-section. And now meet the Hongdu GJ-11 Sharp Sword stealth UAVs. As the name suggests, the GJ-11 Sharp Sword is a stealth UAV designed to be hard to detect by radar. It's part of China's efforts to develop stealthy combat drones. Each of these UAVs are at the forefront of modern war technology, so China is surely not letting anyone win the race of aerospace fighter planes and UAVs. As we look to the future, it's clear that drones like the MD-22 will play a big part in shaping the landscape of aerial warfare. The potential for hypersonic nuclear-capable drones opens up new possibilities and challenges in military strategy. Countries around the world will be watching closely as China continues to develop and potentially deploy these advanced systems. Should we be worried about how China will use this technology? A primary reason for any country, including China, to develop advanced military technology is to strengthen national defense. It's clear that as a rising global power, China wants to establish a strong military presence. As we continue to monitor the developments in this field, one thing is certain: The era of hypersonic drones has just begun, and its impact on global security and military strategy will be profound. Thank you for joining us in exploring China's MD22 and the future of aerial warfare. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.